And welcome to Studio Video, folks. I'm your friendly host, James Thomas. This is where I introduce you to fashion models and photographers. I demonstrate how I draw their charcoal portraits, and hopefully set some dope art on your walls. So if that sounds interesting, please like and subscribe for more continual content. And at the end of this video, if you're curious about getting yourself a one-of-a-kind, unique charcoal portrait, there's a link below to help get you started. Alright gang, well today we're going to showcase the lovely model Serena Taylor out of Cincinnati, Ohio. And we also have the amazing and talented photographer Madi Richardson, who's doing her thing all the way out in Western Germany. And I'll have all their links below in the description, so please hit them up for bookings. Alright, well this is the photo we'll be drawing from. Please notice how the shadows wrap around the face and expose the brightest highlights on her nose and lips. This adds needed dimension to a black and white piece. But on an intimate note, there is something that struck me about this photo, and how it seems as if she's in mid-conversation, pulling the viewer in closer to engage more. And that's the vibe I'm hoping to center on. Well, let's see how it turns out. Let's go.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me.
Boom! Here's Serena, folks. Oh, this turned out nice, and with that splash of yellow, it adds a new dimension to the piece. If this was a piece still that had that conversational vibe, with that caution tape effect across her eyes, it's kind of a little bit more of a dangerous conversation, I think. Danger, danger, Miss Serena! Well, Serena, Madi, here's a big virtual hug out to both you ladies. Thank you so much for being a good sport. Hopefully I've done your talent some justice with this piece. Viewers, show these ladies some love and follow their links below in the description. It would really help everybody out. Please like and subscribe for more continual content. And again, if you want a custom charcoal portrait piece like this, there's a link for that below in the description too. These commission pieces really help keep the channel moving. Well, gang, until next time, sketch you later.